Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something super handy for anyone handling leads and customers, the Lead and Customer Management AI agent in Delaverse Playground. Imagine turning raw customer data into smart, actionable insights and even automated messages, all without the hassle. This workflow helps you categorize leads effortlessly, score them based on guidelines, and keep in touch via SMS, saving you tons of time and boosting your efficiency. What's the magic here? This AI agent is like your personal business assistant. It takes your customer info, applies scoring rules, sorts leads into categories, hot, warm, cold, you name it, and generates personalized SMS to nurture them. Perfect for sales teams or marketers who want to stay organized and proactive, making your customer relationships smoother and more effective in Delaverse. Getting started, hop into the playground. Head over to the Delaverse Playground. That's your creative hub for building these awesome agents. Once you're in, click on New Project and name it something like Customer and Lead Management. If you've got a ready-made JSON workflow file, import it right away. It'll set up all the pieces for you automatically, like magic. Now you're ready to customize it to fit your needs. Breaking it down, the key building blocks. Let's walk through the cool parts that make this agent tick. Think of it as assembling your dream team. First up, connect your data sources. Grab a Google Docs node to hold your lead scoring guidelines. You know, those rules on what makes a lead a winner. Then, add a Google Sheets node where you'll pop in customer details like names, emails, and starting scores. It's your input hub. Next, link everything to the star of the show, the AI assistant node called Lead Categorizer. This smart guy uses AI, think something like OpenAI, to look at your data and guidelines, then neatly sorts leads into categories. No more manual sorting. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. From there, the categorized info flows to another Google Sheets node, Categorized Leads Sheet. This is where your organized data lands, ready for you to review or export. Want to take it further? Add a second AI assistant, SMS Generator, to whip up custom text messages based on those categories, like, "Hey name, saw you're interested, let's chat." Super personalized. Finally, hook it up to the SMS node, SMS Sender. Just add your API key and boom, messages go out automatically. It's like having a 24/7 outreach team. Pro tips, scheduling and fine-tuning. To keep things running smoothly, add trigger nodes. One for lead scoring trigger to automate categorization on a schedule, and another for SMS send trigger to time your messages just right. Test it out by running the workflow and checking your sheets and SMS logs. Make sure everything's purring. For the advanced crowd, tweak the AI instructions for even better accuracy, or mix in more data sources like emails. The sky's the limit. Why, you'll love it. Level up your game. With this Lead and Customer Management AI agent, you're empowered to handle leads smarter, communicate faster, and grow your customer base with ease. No more chaos, just clear insights and automated wins. Jump into Delaverse Playground today. Build yours and watch your business thrive. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together.